Using the Capital One Quicksilver card is a straightforward process that can help you earn rewards and manage your finances effectively. To get started, first make sure you have received your card in the mail and have activated it by calling the phone number provided or by logging into your online account. Next, understand the benefits of your card, which include unlimited 1.5% cashback on all purchases, with no rotating categories or spending limits. You also get a one-time $200 bonus after spending $500 on purchases within the first 3 months from account opening. To make a purchase, simply present your card to the merchant, either in person or online, and they will process the transaction. You can also use your card for everyday purchases like groceries, gas, and dining, and earn cash back on all of these transactions. To pay your bill, log into your online account or use the Capital One mobile app. You can also set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a payment. It is recommended to pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Another key feature of the Quicksilver card is the ability to track your rewards and cashback earnings. You can do this by logging into your online account or using the mobile app, where you can see your total cashback earnings and redeem them for statement credits, gift cards, or other rewards. To get the most out of your Quicksilver card, make sure to use it for all of your daily purchases and pay your balance in full each month. You should also take advantage of the card's other benefits, such as travel accident insurance and 24-hour customer service. By following these steps and using your Quicksilver card responsibly, you can earn rewards, manage your finances, and enjoy the benefits of being a Capital One customer. Remember to always review your account terms and conditions to understand any fees or interest charges associated with your card.